Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to bring you yet another unboxing from Glamour Jewelry Box. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I will leave the links down below. Glamour Jewelry Box is a monthly subscription. You receive 3 pieces of jewelry every single month, and these are carefully curated just for you based on your preferences that you select on their website. So now let's see what I got this month. It's a very pretty box, and it just says on the front, Glamour Jewelry Box, and on the inside is an information card. It says glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle. You can find them at glamourjewelrybox.com, or you can also find them on Instagram at the Glamour Jewelry Box or hashtag Glamour Jewelry Box. On the inside, everything is nicely packaged and you get this cute little pouch. And I've said this before, this cute little pouch is perfect for travel if you're trying to separate your pieces and you want them all in your makeup bag or your travel bag. It's nice that you can bring this along with you. And let's see what's inside. Okay, first thing in here is this tissue. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's so stunning, so sparkly, and I absolutely love it. Oh, how do you do this? Oh, wow. So on the inside, there's this little piece right here that you carefully pull it through. It looks like it's made of some type of silicone or something so that it prevents it from slipping, but you can tighten it or loosen it however you want to wear it that day. So let me go ahead and pull it through so you can wear it long, gorgeous. You can also wear it pulled up, so it's a little bit tighter, like a choker. This little piece right here, isn't that so pretty, sparkly? Okay, keeping with the sparkle theme, look at these gorgeous pave earrings. So stunning. And it absolutely matches the necklace, keeping with that sparkle theme. It is so gorgeous. And I am not wearing earrings right now, so I can put these on. These are like my everyday earrings now. They're so pretty. Look at how sparkly and gorgeous. Oh, look at how pretty. This really pretty arrow ring. Okay, that is really cute. I can wear this every day as well. Okay, I cannot be happier with this month's unboxing, and I love that everything kind of goes with the theme, and these are pieces that I would definitely wear every day. Thank you so much to Glamour Jewelry Box for partnering with me in this video. If you would like to receive your own Glamour Jewelry Box subscription, look down in my description box below. I do have a discount code for you, along with all the information that I mentioned in this video, and be sure to follow me on my Instagram, which is at PrettyCasualCoco. There I'll be showing you how I pair these beautiful jewelry pieces with some outfits. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Be sure to leave a comment down below because I will be featuring all of your comments in this video in my next video. I appreciate your time, I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!